Imagine a world where the night sky is a source of terror, not beauty. A world where the vast expanse of twinkling stars instead of inspiring wonder breeds fear and trepidation. This was the reality for our ancient ancestors. For them, the dark skies were a canvas of enigmatic signs and portents, rather than a field of scientific interest. In the earliest epochs of human history, the night sky was a mystery, a grand puzzle that was far beyond the grasp of primitive understanding. The stars, the moon, the comets, the meteors, all were perceived as celestial beings with their own wills and whims. A shooting star was not simply a meteor burning up in the Earth's atmosphere. No, it was a sign from the gods, a foreboding omen of events to come. Eclipses, in particular, were seen as dire predictions. When the bright sun or the gentle moon was swallowed by darkness, humanity trembled. It was a clear message that something was amiss in the cosmos, a divine warning, a celestial threat. This fear, this trembling before the inscrutable night sky, led our ancestors to observe and record these celestial events meticulously. They began to notice patterns, cycles, repetitions. The sun rose and set at certain times. The moon waxed and waned in a predictable rhythm. The stars followed a set course across the sky. And thus the birth of astronomy, one of the oldest sciences, took place. But it was a birth marked by fear and apprehension. The purpose was not to understand the cosmos for the sake of knowledge, but to predict and control the celestial events that seemed to dictate their lives. Our ancestors sought to appease the celestial deities, to avert disaster, to turn the omens in their favor. The first astronomers were often priests and shamans, intermediaries between the human and the divine, interpreters of the celestial messages written across the dark skies of the past. Thus, the study of the heavens began not out of curiosity, but fear. It was a fear that drove us to look up, to observe, to learn, and ultimately to understand. From fear came knowledge, from darkness, light. Now, how does astronomy connect with exorcism, you might wonder? Well, the answer lies in the deep, dark annals of our human history. When our ancestors looked up, they didn't see stars and galaxies as we do today. Instead, they saw a vast, mysterious expanse filled with unknown forces. To them, the sky was a realm of spirits, both benevolent and malevolent, and celestial events were seen as messages from the gods, or in certain cases attacks from demonic entities. Take the ancient Egyptians, for instance. They perceived solar eclipses as the sun god Ra being swallowed by the sky demon Apophis. In these moments of celestial terror, they performed rituals that were akin to exorcisms, using astronomy as a tool to combat the perceived evil. The goal was to aid Ra in his struggle and ensure the return of the sun, which in most cases it did, reinforcing their beliefs. Similarly, the ancient Babylonians, who were keen astrologers, viewed lunar eclipses as omens of disaster brought on by demonic forces. They would conduct elaborate rituals resembling exorcisms to protect their king and kingdom from celestial malevolence. Even the Mayans, known for their advanced astronomical knowledge, believed that celestial events like eclipses were signs of the gods' displeasure, and responded with sacrificial rituals to appease these divine beings. These practices, while seemingly superstitious to our modern understanding, were the precursors to astronomy as we know it today. They were born out of a necessity to understand and navigate the world around us, to predict celestial events and to create a sense of order in a seemingly chaotic universe. But they also reveal a darker, more complex side to our quest for knowledge. They show how our fear of the unknown can drive us to seek control, to create narratives that help us make sense of the world, and to use science, or its early forms, as a tool against perceived threats. So you see, the roots of astronomy are intertwined with the practice of exorcism. But were these astronomical exorcisms mere superstition, or was there something more to it? Let's delve deeper into the scientific basis behind some of the celestial events that ancient people feared. Imagine a world without the scientific knowledge we possess today. A world where celestial bodies were mysterious entities commanding awe and fear alike. Solar and lunar eclipses, shooting stars, comets, and meteor showers were all seen as omens, harbingers of doom or divine displeasure. Why wouldn't they be? The sky suddenly darkening in the middle of the day during a solar eclipse or a comet streaking across the night sky would surely have been a terrifying sight. But as we now know, these celestial events are nothing more than natural phenomena. Solar and lunar eclipses occur when the sun, earth, and moon align in a specific way. They're not portents of doom, but beautiful, awe-inspiring events that showcase the intricate dance of celestial bodies. Shooting stars, or meteors, are simply small particles entering the Earth's atmosphere at high speed, burning up due to friction and creating a streak of light across the sky. These celestial fireworks are harmless and occur regularly, lighting up our night skies during certain periods of the year, known as meteor showers. Comets, those harbingers of doom, are nothing more than icy bodies from the outer regions of our solar system, which create spectacular tails as they approach the sun and their ices vaporize. So, to our ancestors, these events might have seemed supernatural or demonic, but with our current understanding of the universe, we can appreciate their natural beauty without fear. We can now see that the fear and awe these celestial events stirred in our ancestors were born from a lack of understanding, not from the events themselves. The exorcisms they performed to ward off these evil omens were their way of coping with the unknown, the unexplained. Perhaps then these astronomical exorcisms were not as far-fetched as they might seem. After all, we humans have always sought to understand and control the world around us, haven't we? But the connection between astronomy and exorcism didn't end with the ancients. No, far from it. As we delve into more recent times, we uncover that this celestial science has been used, and in some parts of the world, continues to be used as a tool for exorcism. Let's take a journey through time and space to the early modern period. It was a time when astronomy was not just about understanding the cosmos, but also about deciphering the unseen forces that governed our lives. In some cultures, celestial events were not just natural phenomena, but powerful omens that could be harnessed to ward off evil spirits. An eclipse was not just the moon blocking the sun, but a spiritual battle waged in the heavens. A comet was not just a piece of rock hurtling through space, but a divine sign to cleanse oneself of demonic influences. Now, fast forward to the 21st century. You might think that we've left these beliefs behind, but the echoes of the past still reverberate in some corners of the world. In certain societies, celestial events still hold a deep spiritual significance. The alignment of the planets, the appearance of a comet, or a lunar eclipse, are seen as powerful moments to perform exorcisms and rid oneself or one's community of evil spirits. In fact, astronomy and exorcism have become so intertwined that there are even manuals and guides detailing the best times to perform exorcisms based on celestial events. The belief is that during these times the veil between our world and the spiritual world is at its thinnest, making it the most effective time to banish evil spirits. Astronomy, a science dedicated to studying the universe and its celestial bodies, has a dark side that many don't know of. It's a side that's steeped in fear, superstition, and the struggle against unseen forces. Even today, the echoes of these dark origins can still be heard in the world of astronomy. And as we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remember that our understanding of it is not just shaped by science, but also by our fears and beliefs. So what does this all mean for us today? Let's delve into that, shall we? First, it's important to understand that the legacy of fear and superstition surrounding celestial events has left a significant imprint on modern astronomy. These beliefs, born in the Dark Ages, have not simply vanished, but have transformed, shaping the way we study the universe even today. For instance, consider the fear and awe that ancient civilizations felt towards solar eclipses, thinking them to be omens of doom. This fear propelled early astronomers to study these occurrences, to predict and understand them. Today, that very same fascination compels us to study these celestial events not out of fear, but out of curiosity and the desire to understand the universe better. Furthermore, the superstitions of the past continue to fuel the mysteries of the cosmos. The unknown has always been a source of fear, and the vastness of space is no exception. This fear, however, has been harnessed into a powerful force of exploration and discovery. It is this fear, this awe of the unknown, that drives astronomers and astrophysicists to push the boundaries of our knowledge further every day. In a way, our legacy of fear has been a catalyst for progress. It has spurred us to question, to investigate, and to learn. And as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we are reminded of our humble beginnings in the shadow of fear and superstition. The legacy of fear has also taught us humility. As we gaze into the vast expanse of space, we are reminded of our insignificance in the grand scheme of the universe. This realization has shaped our approach to astronomy, grounding our scientific pursuits in a profound respect for the cosmos and its mysteries. And so, the legacy of fear lives on, shaping our understanding of the cosmos. It is a testament to our journey from fear to understanding. A journey that continues to this very day as we strive to unravel the mysteries of the universe. But let's not forget the journey astronomy has taken from its dark origins. Once the night sky was a source of terror, a cosmic canvas that fueled superstitious dread and gave birth to tales of demonic possession. Stars were seen not as distant suns, but as omens of doom. This was the age when astronomy was intertwined with exorcism, a tool to understand and combat the perceived evil lurking among the stars. But as centuries rolled on, the shadows of fear began to recede. A transformation was taking place. The advent of the scientific method began to illuminate the darkness, casting away the demons of misunderstanding. The stars were no longer symbols of fear, but rather cosmic signposts guiding our quest for knowledge. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century was a turning point. Suddenly, we could see farther than ever before, revealing a universe teeming with celestial bodies. Galileo's observations of Jupiter's moons, for instance, shattered the Earth-centric view of the cosmos. The universe was bigger, more beautiful, and far more complex than we had ever imagined. With the dawn of the 20th century came even greater advancements. The development of spectroscopy allowed us to decipher the chemical composition of distant stars. Radio astronomy unveiled the universe's hidden radio waves, while space-based telescopes like Hubble brought the cosmos into our living rooms with breathtaking clarity. Now, we stand on the precipice of a new era, armed with technologies like quantum computers and advanced spacecraft, ready to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. The night sky is no longer a source of fear, but a vast canvas of exploration and discovery. The journey of astronomy, like the universe itself, is ever expanding. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our ability to confront fear with understanding. We've transformed the night sky from a haunting abyss into a source of endless fascination. From a source of fear, the night sky has become a source of wonder and knowledge. So where does astronomy go from here? As we stand on the brink of tomorrow, the future of astronomy unfurls like a vast cosmic tapestry, vibrant with possibilities and buzzing with the hum of potential discoveries. In the coming years, our understanding of the cosmos will be propelled forward by a new generation of telescopes. These cutting-edge devices will see further and clearer than ever before, allowing us to probe the deepest recesses of the universe in our ongoing quest for knowledge. As we peer into the abyss, we will strive to answer the timeless questions that have long haunted us. What is dark matter? What lies beyond the observable universe? Is there life elsewhere in the cosmos? The next frontier of astronomy is also set to be shaped by the rise of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms will comb through vast swaths of data, detecting patterns and correlations that may elude even the most eagle-eyed human observer. This will enable us to identify new celestial bodies, decipher the mysteries of cosmic radiation, and perhaps even discover signs of extraterrestrial life. Meanwhile, space travel will continue to break new ground. Manned missions to Mars, the establishment of lunar bases, and the prospect of interstellar travel are all on the horizon. These endeavors will not only allow us to explore our solar system in unprecedented detail, but also offer us a unique perspective on our place within the cosmos. Yet, even as we push the boundaries of our understanding, the universe will continue to guard its secrets jealously. Each new discovery will only serve to deepen the mystery, adding more pieces to an ever-expanding cosmic puzzle. The universe is a riddle wrapped in an enigma, a sphinx whose riddles have yet to be fully deciphered. So, as we gaze up at the night sky, let us remember that we are not just observers but active participants in this grand cosmic journey. We are both the storytellers and the story, the explorers and the explored, the seekers and the sought. Who knows what secrets the night sky still holds for us? So there you have it, the dark origins of astronomy, and its unexpected connection with exorcism. We've delved into the murky depths of history, where astronomy was often intertwined with superstition and fear. The celestial bodies that now fascinate us were once seen as ominous portents, their movements interpreted as messages from the gods or, even more chillingly, the stirrings of demonic forces. We touched on the surprising link between astronomy and exorcism. In times gone by, astral events were frequently associated with evil spirits, leading to the practice of exorcism to counteract these perceived threats. This connection, while seemingly far-fetched to the modern mind, was a product of the fear and misunderstanding that clouded early interpretations of the night sky. Throughout this journey, we've seen how this fear and superstition have shaped the field of astronomy. From these dark beginnings, the study of celestial bodies has evolved into a rigorous scientific discipline, yet the legacy of its darker past still lingers. The fear of the unknown, the fascination with the unexplainable, these are elements that continue to drive our exploration of the cosmos. Our understanding of the universe has grown tremendously over the centuries. The fear and superstition that once dominated our view of the heavens have been replaced by knowledge and curiosity. But it's important to remember that our journey of discovery is far from over. There are still many celestial mysteries that remain unsolved, many dark corners of the universe that have yet to be illuminated. This is the beauty of astronomy. It's a field that continues to evolve, to push the boundaries of our understanding. The night sky, once a source of fear, is now a source of endless fascination and discovery. Next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the long and dark journey that brought us to our current understanding of the cosmos.